All right, let's talk about this train disaster in East Palestine, Ohio. It must not go away. I'm glad to hear that former President Trump is going there next week. Good. He's going to shame the politicians, probably on the state and federal level. Yeah, it'll mainly be about Joe Biden, but they should have seized the initiative on this. It has been too casual and too slow for too long. We shouldn't just be hearing that just now a FEMA team is coming on. And there shouldn't be so many people from the left, frankly, saying, well, it's not really a FEMA situation. You know, Governor DeWine really does have to ask for an emergency declaration before they can. Where there's a will, there's a way. He hasn't asked for an emergency declaration. That's on him to explain. But FEMA's on the way. So I guess you can make it happen. The question is, why haven't they? The question is, why is Norfolk Southern, the company that did this, barely visible in this situation? Why aren't there teams on the ground to address people's concerns about their health, do diagnoses, show them data, tell them what you don't know? Now, with the train company, I'll tell you why they're not there. It's bad for business. And they've got problems. Norfolk Southern has had an 875% increase in accidents with hazardous chemicals in the past decade. I believe the onus is on them and the government to show us that this is not about profits over people. Because the residents of East Palestine are paying the price, okay? They are not feeling well, and it can't all be viruses, all right? There aren't a lot of viruses that give you flu-like symptoms and eczema. We need to get answers, and that means we got to keep pushing questions. Look, you know FEMA is going there in response to the hue and cry about this. Good. So let's start with people, then we'll do our investigation, and then we'll get to what the policy concerns are here. Let's check in with our friends Chris and Jamie Wallace. I wasn't even sure they were going to be on the show tonight. They're sick. They're feeling terrible. And Jamie's got her mother who wasn't feeling well. They got a young kid that they've been worried about. So let's check in real quick. So I don't want to, eat up your night. I know you want to rest. Chris, Jamie, how you doing? Chris?
Actually, we're doing a little better today, but we stayed out of the area relatively and try to slow ourselves down and quit, chasing around. But, it's still harder to breathe. The headaches are starting to go away, but, it's the long-term effects that we're really worried about.
Well, sure. But also, Jamie, immediately. So you really do feel a difference that because you didn't go in there today, you feel better.
Oh, I definitely do. Last night after we did your show, we were talking about taking Chris to the hospital. He was so bad. So today, like he said, we stayed, away from East Palestine more, and we just focused on organizing people through social media and trying to, build up a team to fight the big railroad in East Palestine to get the people to band together. But just staying away from East Palestine for that one day, I can feel like I can breathe a little better.
Your little girl's okay?
Yeah, we still haven't taken her back to East Palestine since the night we evacuated. Thankfully, her grandmother stays with us, so she's been at the hotel. But that's also another rough piece there, is not seeing her as much since we're back in town trying to, get action taken for us and for our community. She's been good, but she's starting to get a little frustrated not being at home and not having mom and dad around.
Hey, thank you for watching. Please go to newsnationnow.com, newsnationnow.com, and you can find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button down below. Then you will get more of News Nation's fact-driven coverage.